Hi there students. In this video I want to look at the phrasal verb to spill over. Is that two words or one? Could be both. And spill over, one word, the phrasal noun. Okay, if something spills over, it's something that has a subsequent effect on something else. Let's see, to spill. You spill your drink. Yeah, you knock it over and it spills everywhere. To spill over. This has the idea of there is too much of something and it spills everywhere. Okay, but we use this metaphorically. So if there is a war in one country, there are always fears that this will spill over into neighbouring countries. There will be spillover into neighbouring countries. In epidemiology, to spill over is where an infectious disease it spills from one type of animal or one species to another, particularly to human beings. So I think they say that COVID-19 was the result of spillover. Okay, so spillover, a consequence, a repercussion. Yeah, so maybe you have an argument with your partner, and maybe there is spillover from this argument. Yeah, you're angry with each other for a couple of weeks, or you don't do something, or you cancel a party that you were going to have. All of these would be spillover effects. Yeah, let's see. So to spill over, I take a glass and I start pouring something into it, and when it gets to the top it spills over. So it's something that happens to other things when there is an excess or when there is lots. So maybe if a country is very prosperous, then spillover into neighbouring countries occurs. I think this has happened with, for example, Mexico. I think the prosperity of the United States, Mexico has benefited from spillover of this money. Maybe not as much as they would like, but well, at least there has been some spillover. Okay, so spillover. This is an effect from an unpredicted source. The high price of fuel, or the high price of petrol, has had various spillover effects. For example, increased bicycle sales is one of the spillover effects of this. You even have the phrase a spillover effect, and the effect of one thing on another, which is caused by the first thing, and that's your spillover effect. So for example, yeah, at the moment the World Cup is on, but this will have various spillover effects. Football will become more popular. There will be more kids who play football. These are various spillover effects. Yeah, so it's like you're filling this glass and it spills over and starts to affect other things that are not in the glass in itself. Okay, so to spill over, to have an indirect effect on something, a consequence, a result, an upshot, an outcome. Yeah, a phenomenon that follows something else. It's caused by a previous phenomenon. Okay, and that's the idea. So to spill over. This spilled over to other countries. Formality. I think I'm going to give it a 4.5 in formality, and I think the phrasal noun spillover as well. Use it informally, semi-formal conversation and writing, but keep it away from something very formal. And then as to origin, well, this comes from to spill. Yeah, if you spill something, it goes everywhere, which comes from Old English spildan, to waste or to destroy, from spilbjana in Proto-Germanic, to spoil or to kill, from Proto-Germanic spell, to tear, to split. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Spillover.